Hello. Today I'm going to show you parts of how to make this double dry shutter card that looks something like this. I'm not sure if you can see it. I mean, the camera is just a little bit. So, as you can see, it's quite a longer card, and it folds up nicely like this. And in order to be able to close it and keep it closed, I'm thinking of actually putting some decorative strips, decorative ribbon, or perhaps a couple of paper handles that I'm going to fasten here before I actually mount the photos down. So let's get started. You need 2 pieces of paper that measure 6 by 12 inches, and here I have started gluing them together, so don't be bothered by that. Just remember to have it 6 by 12 inches, and then you're going to fold them at 2, 4, 8 and 10 inches, and you do it on the both papers, and that is 2, 4, 8 and 10. And after that you're going to cut them in your paper cutter at 1 3/4 and 4 1/4, and you do it on both papers, and that is, you're putting the paper lengthwise in the paper cutter. You do it on both of them, and then you're going to fold these papers mountain and valley style, and that is, one side goes up and then you turn it around and just make these folds like so. And you do it on both of them, and after that you're going to cut 2 pieces of paper that measure 6 and 4 inches, 6 times 4 inches. If you want to, you could use different colors, and especially if you're going to put a picture here or something, it could be nice to have this photo mat actually showing the picture of even more. And in order to get these that actually shut this card down, you're going to cut 2 more pieces of paper, and they measure 6 times, I think it's actually 6 by 6 inches. And then you're going to score them at 2. So you're left with this 4 times 6 inch strap here, and you glue it down on the underside, underneath. And I think it's the easiest way actually to just keep them like that. So when it comes to putting this centerpiece down, you just put these dry shutter cards opposite each other. I mean, you just should look at these as mirrors, as a mirror of one another, and just glue this one down on top of this. And the other piece that you actually cut out, you could put on the back side just to cover that joint. And as for the front page pieces, you just glue them down as I told you. Just score it first at 2 and glue it from underneath here. And as I'm going along with this card, I'm thinking of putting one photo here. Can you see me? You can't. One photo here, and one photo here, and a third photo here. So it's going to be 3 big pictures here. And yes, in order to close it, I'm actually thinking of different ways of actually doing it. I'm not sure if I have come up with the best idea yet. If you have any ideas, I'll gladly listen to them. I'm not sure if there's anything more I need to say, but just to keep you in suspense until you can see what I have come up with. Bye bye.